This exact strategy is what I use on a day-to-day basis and has been back-tested thousands of times. And every month that I tested it, it has been profitable in the long term. A core of this strategy uses supply and demand. Demand is the start of a strong move upwards. Supply is the start of a strong move downward. The idea is pretty simple. You want to buy from zones where institutional buying and selling is occurring. You know, where the big bank boys are entering. Now, finding these levels is extremely easy. You simply find the candle before the strong move and mark the low to the high of that specific candle. Then wait for price to come back to that zone, enter your position, then proceed to make millions of dollars. So there's a huge problem. The thing is, a lot of beginners out there really struggle with identifying support and resistance levels properly, and that's a big problem. But in this video, I'm going to show you a simple trick to get around that using just two indicators, the fractal and the parabolic. These two tools alone can help you analyze the chart and actually pull profits from it. If this video helps you out, don't forget to drop a like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Let's get started. All right, here's how to set up this strategy. First, open the Indicators tab. Turn on Parabolic SAR and Fractals. That's all we need. Next, go into the Parabolic SAR settings and set acceleration to 0.24. Click Save, and that's it. These are the only settings you need to start trading with this strategy. Everything's already set up on my end, so I'm jumping right into looking for a solid market setup. I found a solid setup and opened a buy trade. What I notice here is a clear uptrend. That's the first key point. Even more important, we've got a fractal signal. On top of that, there are two parabolic SAR dots. Ideally, we want 3 SAR dots, a trending market, and either a red or green fractal. That's a perfect combo. In this case, I'm already in the trade, so now I'm just waiting to see how it closes. Nice. The trade closed in profit. So far, the strategy is showing solid results. But I get it. You can't really feel that dynamic just by watching. That's why I'm going to keep looking for more strong setups, make some more gains today, and kick back after a solid session. 1 minute of your time. I want to remind you about my Telegram channel where I share educational materials, write useful articles about trading, provide news reviews, and share my recommendations in the form of signals. You can also join my team. Right now, we already have 350 people. These traders came to me with minimal experience and got the chance to earn consistently. Become part of my team today. Just message me privately saying you want to join us. And of course, for all the members of our team and all subscribers to my Telegram and YouTube channels, a free trading bot is available. The link will be in the description below this video. You can also find instructions on how to use it on my YouTube channel. Here's an interesting setup. I'm entering a buy trade. The trend is clearly going up. We've got a fractal and 2 parabolic SAR dots. That's more than enough for an entry. But now I'm seeing this weird impulse. Unfortunately, the trade closed in loss. Looks like the market had its own idea this time. No worries. I'll use a recovery trade to cover the loss and keep searching for the next solid setup. I'm going in with a $900 recovery trade, and this setup looks perfect. We've got a strong, clearly defined downtrend, the trade is already open, and I'm seeing 3 parabolic SAR dots plus a fractal in place. All the conditions are lining up. We've got the trend, the signals, and the confirmation. A textbook setup for a sell trade. Yes, that's the kind of confidence I like. The trade closed in profit with a solid margin, and the mood right now, honestly, feeling great. Let's keep this session going. In this game, the key is to stay consistent and hit the same spot every time. I've just entered a buy trade, and yeah, I know the trend looks downward at first glance, but here's why I still took the trade. We've got a red fractal, 4 parabolic SAR dots, and price is clearly bouncing off a horizontal support level. There was already a reaction there, and that gave me confidence to go long. Hopefully I'm right, and the system doesn't let me down. Perfect, the market's on my side, and this trade brought in solid profit. A great counter trend move. Now I want to lock in the result. I'll look for one last good setup and then wrap up this trading session. All right, looks like we've got a great setup for a buy trade. There's a strong uptrend, a clear fractal, and 3 parabolic SAR dots. That's everything I need to decide whether to enter the market or not. This is the final trade of the session. Let's wait and see how it plays out, and then we'll wrap it up. And this trade closes in profit too, another win. The strategy's really proving itself today. That's 4 winning trades and just 1 loss in this session. I'd say that's a pretty solid result, more than enough to consistently make money on the financial markets. If you still have any questions, feel free to reach out to me on Telegram. Give this video a like, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you soon, my friends.